Welcome to Free Arts Academy, where art is for everyone. For the best in free art education, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a video each Wednesday. Welcome back to the 6th installment of Essential Art Terms. This week we'll discover form and composition. Today we learn about the organization of the elements of art according to the principles of art. If you've missed the concepts in previous weeks, you'll want to catch up by following the links in the description below. Remember, the review of these terms will make you the best prepared artist you can be. When you learn these terms, you'll be ready to begin your path to being an artist. That being said, this week we cover form and composition, along with shape as they go hand in hand. Form can refer to a three-dimensional composition or object within a three-dimensional composition. Composition is the arrangement or placement of elements within a work of art. For example, in this simple drawing of a box of crayons, the box is arranged to show its form in space, and its composition shows us that the red crayon is next to the yellow, which is next to the green, and so on, all in a golden colored box. Shape is the property of two-dimensional form, usually defined by a line around it or by a change in color. When you bring composition and form to the canvas, there are 5 basic elements of your artwork: line, shape, color, texture, and space. And space is just one of the essential art terms we will cover in the next installment of Essential Art Terms. See you next week! We're here to help you become the most creative and happiest version of yourself. Thanks for spending some time with us. Please subscribe and like this video to let us help you gain a free art education.